Hey, it's Victor. I'm out of here with Producer Realty. Today, we're going to take a new construction walkthrough tour of the Dakota Floorplan by Meritage Homes. The Dakota has almost 2,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It has open floor plan with a large kitchen, lots of cabinet and counter space. There's a large center island, a huge walk-in pantry as well. In the family room, there's a gas log fireplace. This particular home has plank floors throughout the main level. Upstairs, there's a large master suite with double sinks in the ensuite bathroom. It also has a 5-foot tile shower as well. It also has a huge walk-in closet. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. So as you can see, the flex room in the front allows you the option to have a study or a separate living room or a formal dining room. Now on this side of the home, you have the large kitchen with the center island, lots of cabinet and counter space, and a huge walk-in pantry. Now on this side, you have the family room that also has a gas log fireplace. There's a breakfast area. There's also a powder room on this main level. Let's check it out. Outside, there's a spacious patio, fully sodded yard that backs up to some trees in the back for shade and privacy. Let's check it out. Well, I hope you enjoyed our tour. Now, at the time that we're recording this video, this particular Dakota floor plan is actually available at $334,900. Now, if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.